Looking at Blacktooth Grin's PC yesterday, and my God, it is a thing of beauty. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the description for you. Dual GTX 580s, blue fluorescent lighting, and woo, wish I had something like that. But as far as cable management goes, I'll show you what I'm rolling with. I mean, I only have a Roswell Challenger. It's a $50 case, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So as you can see it right here, it's not too bad. It's not amazing. We really only have one cable floating around right through here. We have the other cables down through here, connected from here, wrapped up in a nice little ball. Reason why it is because while this is an amazing buy, this 900 watt power supply for $9, it's not modular. But we go from the top, CPU cooler at the top, rear fan, top fan, optical drive, all the cables and everything, two GTX 560s, twin Frozr, 2GB models, power supply, and all in all, it's a pretty good wiring job. It's not sloppy, it's not amazing, but I definitely think it's still better than good.